Hi everyone, today I'm going to answer Science Grade 3 Video 109 Comprehension Question. Question 1. What is weathering and what does it do to rocks? Well, weathering is any action that breaks rocks into smaller pieces of rocks. And what does it do to rocks? It breaks rock from a big boulder into smaller rocks, like from boulders into cobble and then into pebbles and other kind of rocks. So this weathering, it's really interesting to learn about. How can plants contribute to weathering? Well, sometimes when plants grow above rocks and the roots grow into the rock's crack. And when the plants grow bigger, the root will also need to grow bigger in order to get enough nutrients for the plant. So when the root grows in the crack and then they grow bigger, the cracks will also get bigger. And then one day, when the rocks can't hold it anymore, it will break apart. And that is weathering. Explain how water can cause weathering. Give at least 2 examples. Well, water can seep down to the soil and make changes in the minerals of rock. When water rains down onto the ground, the water will seep down and then they will weather the rocks inside the soil, and then they will have smaller pieces of rock. That is one example. Another example is rock like ice, like glaciers. When glaciers grow, when water flow through the mountains and then they freezes, become glaciers, they will also weather a few pieces of small rocks. And when these glaciers melt, they will also weather more pieces of rock, very small pieces. What happens to water when it freezes? And how does it affect rocks? Well, when water freezes, they will become bigger than they were before. And they can also wash away rocks when they are in rock cracks. What happens to water? This is the same question, so I'll skip it. Well, that's all about my video. Thank you for listening and goodbye.